In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FreeReels App 2026. To get started, go to the FreeReels website or simply download the FreeReels app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once the installation is finished, open the app and begin the setup process. You'll be asked to sign up using your email address, phone number, or another available sign-in option. If the app asks you to verify your account, complete that step so you can access all features without interruption. After signing in, FreeReels may guide you through a quick initial setup. This usually includes selecting your preferred language and choosing content categories that match your interests. This helps the app recommend short dramas and videos that are more relevant to you right from the beginning. You may also be asked to allow certain permissions, such as notifications. If you want alerts about new content or updates, you can allow them here. Once you're inside the app, start by exploring the home page. This is where you'll usually find recommended short dramas, trending content, and other videos the platform wants to highlight. If you already know what you want to watch, use the search feature to look up a specific drama, title, or genre. When you find something interesting, tap on it to begin watching. As you watch, the app may let you swipe up or down to move between episodes or discover more recommended content, depending on the current interface. If you come across a drama you want to return to later, add it to your favorites or watch list. That makes it much easier to find again without searching from scratch. The more you watch, the more personalized your recommendations are likely to become, since the app can use your viewing history to suggest similar content. FreeReels may also include a rewards or missions section. If that feature is available in your version of the app, open it to check for daily tasks. These missions can include things like watching videos or checking in each day. Completing them may earn you in-app rewards where supported. You can usually track your reward balance from your profile or the rewards page. If withdrawals are supported in your region, open the wallet or withdraw section. From there, link your preferred payout method. If the app requires it, then follow the on-screen instructions to redeem any eligible rewards once you meet the minimum withdrawal requirement. Keep in mind that reward availability and payout options can vary by country. Finally, open your profile anytime to manage account settings, notifications, and other preferences. And be sure to keep the app updated so you always have access to the newest features, bug fixes, and fresh drama content.